Hola, amiguitos. It's me, Platanito from Tiny Dominican Explorer. And guess what? Mi amiga Katalina has a brand new adventure, and it's full of summer fun, merengue, and hydrants blasting like whoosh. It all happens in a place we call Little Dominican Republic, right in el corazón de Washington Heights. Wanna see? Let's go.
I see the fire hydrants flow. In the heights we're on the go. Musica plays down every street with sunshine dancing on our feet. In Little Dominican Republic, we laugh, we dream, we run so quick. With Katalina, come and see what summer means to you and me. I see